Good morning. Myself, Pinky Chavla, advocate. I'm practicing district court as well in Supreme Court of India. Today, I'll discuss that husband wife has petty matter and they are fighting together, but most of the time, wife blame on the husband and do use dirty and filthy language. And sometimes, when the husband go out of house for the job, then she complained. She collect all the neighborhood. She talk to them, have a big meeting with them, and when the husband come, they look at her with the bad eyes as a her husband is a criminal person. So this is not correct. And sometimes she goes to her parents' house and then she complained about her husband. So many things arise and she doesn't feel bad that she is criticizing her husband and without any reason and cause. Sometimes it also happen the life is going smoothly for 5 years, 10 years. Once salary of the husband gone down due to some reason, or for example the COVID period has come. In COVID period, most of the companies have reduced the salary of person to 70%, some company 80%. So in that very situation, the husband tell the wife that his salary is very low. Then she try to adjust in that salary only because he doesn't have any other source of income. Instead of shortcutting her all the unnecessary expenses, she try to increase expenses rather. And she complained that why she reduced unnecessary expenses. She required all the things ready properly, and when she married, that is his duty that he should be able to manage all the things. If he is getting less salary, he can do something else also to so that they can maintain their livelihood and standard very well. So in this matter, if your husband says something to her, then she will bad and she left her matrimonial house and left her parent house. So so many matter are there. Like for example, there is a matter in case where they are married in 2002, and after 17 years, when the husband's salary gone down and he was financially weak, the wife left the matrimonial, deserted herself from matrimonial house, and she left her parents' house, and there she filed number of cases against her husband for 98 domestic violence, and maintenance case also as guided by the concerned lawyer. So this is not good. She should not do that. If this kind of situation arises, she should also do some work, part-time work, or she can do some work at home where both can survive together, because it's the moral duty of husband and wife to work to look after the house properly. Sometimes so happen that wife has to work outside the house also, inside the house also, and she feel offended why she works so much, why she'll do so much work where the liability of husband. It's not like that. In matrimonial relation, husband and wife are equal partner, and they share their sorrow, happiness together. And when husband is rich, and then she go by aeroplane also, if he is not getting very good salary, doesn't have much amount for moving here and there, then they can go by train also to some religious place where they can spend some time and feel happy also. But instead of doing that, the wife complain and just taught husband that now you are not capable of maintaining us, so she is not interested to stay in matrimonial house. So based on this, if the such kind of situation arise and husband filed divorce case in the court, then he can mention all the things to the honorable court that based on these kind of, because she is defaming her husband number of time in front of relative, in front of neighborhood, in outside. Even when she comes to the court, she used abusing language and dirty and filthy language, which is sometimes not acceptable by the concerned lawyer also. But he can't say because it's a client matter and he has to keep quiet. But indirectly he says this is not the way, because this is a court, you should keep quiet and behave properly. So such kind of rise where in base of the cruelty, if the husband wife deny and she put so many allegations on husband, and she is not making patrimonial relationship, physical relation with husband, and she's not doing her moral duty towards her husband as well kid also, then court took the liberty and grant divorce in favor of husband. So need not to worry husband side. If there's such kind of situation arise, you can go and find out some good judgment where you find the court take lenient view in favor of the husband. Also nowadays the law is changing. There are so many amendments are coming in the month of June, July, where the husband also get liberty. So if you I'm giving this productive information, you find it convenient for you, so you can always talk to me, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate, practice in District Court as well as Supreme Court of India. My number is 9818277131, but you can talk to me with prior intimation. Thank you so much listening to me. Thank you.